Hi there, I'm Gemma Leggett for Remax Crosstown, and today I have a fantastic news I would like to share. Yesterday I was lucky enough to participate in a training that my broker Heidi Costera from Remax Crosstown had put together for us with the best of all, Michael Krissa. Michael was able to get us comfortable out of our comfort zone. He explained us the reason why it's important to do videos and what can we do to help and how we can get better at it. Anyhow, I was really lucky because I won this Osmo Mobile 2. Yay! Right? Just the name is amazing. Just the name. Anyhow, the problem is with this Osmo Mobile 2 is I have no idea how to use it. So I am going to use YouTube definitely to learn to do it. But for that, once I learn how to do it, I need content. I need to do video. I need to use this thing. I can't just let down Heidi who helped me win this. So this is where you guys come in. I need you to help me and get me some subject. Some things that you would like me to research for you and do video. I would like you to give me some idea on fun things, and I need you guys to help me. So that's it. Please comment below. Let me know how I can help you, and please help me with that. Have a great day. Bye.